who are taking the Risco bitters and then the gene powder. Patients who are struggling with hemorrhoid or PAL, which is also known as cocoa, that's how we call it here in Ghana. One thing I want you to understand before you think of getting this product is it is bitter. The bitters is bitter. That is how they call it, bitters. So Risco bitters is bitter. But if you are somebody who loves to take sweet, you are somebody who always takes sweets and that you can't endure anything bitter, don't waste your time or your money to buy this product from me. This is just an honest clarification I'm giving you guys. But if you are somebody who really understand, who really wanted to get rid of the hemorrhoid because of the pains, the trauma, the disasters you have been in throughout your life, and that you want to put a stop to it once and for all, then you are advised to take this product. One thing most of you guys don't know is that hemorrhoid does a lot. Hemorrhoid can cause you grow lean, like to lose weight drastically. You can be growing lean and lean. In fact, you can be losing weight drastically. Even if care is not taken, somebody will be around you and think that you having HIV, which is not true. That's the work of hemorrhoid. Hemorrhoid can also make you have a severe waist pain. Hemorrhoid can make you have a severe waist pain. And remember, hemorrhoid can also make you, experience shrinkage on the penis. In fact, it can make your manhood shrink. That's the result of hemorrhoid. You are somebody growing up, you know the size of your manhood was so good, was so fantastic, but after few days, few weeks, few months, few years, you got to realize that you have hemorrhoid. At the same time, the manhood is also shrinking. And the mistake most of you guys have been doing is that when it happens like this, you are seeing shrinkage on your penis, and then you end up buying all sorts of enlargement products in order to enlarge the manhood. Because in fact, every man of my state will also do the same thing. If I'm to put myself in your shoe, I understand that when a manhood is shrinking, in fact losing weight in the size, you should be worried. So I put myself in your shoe. But the truth here is that it's a big mistake you're doing. Unless you not hear anything called enlargement product anywhere, you go for it, you buy it, and still some of you realize that it's working, but along the line it is, in fact, it's shrinking the most. One tip I want to give you today is that you don't need that one. You do not need enlargement product at the time you are struggling or you are having issue with hemorrhoid or PAL, because PAL is the reason you are having the so you are experiencing the shrinkage. So long as PAL remains in the system, and then it is causing the manhood to shrink. You are buying enlargement product, enlarging the manhood. You're not being fair or faithful to yourself. You don't need those things. What you need first is, let's first get rid of the PAL or cocoa you have in the system that is causing the shrinkage. Do not let anybody lie to you. I'm always saying that I am not asking you only to come and purchase my product. No. If you know of any good, product that works on PAL, that can remove the PAL or the hemorrhoid that appears in your anus, just like my product, go for it. But what I wanted you to understand here is that you must first understand that the shrinkage, or one of the reasons why your manhood is shrinking, is hemorrhoid. I don't know if we are making a progress here. So one of the reasons why your manhood is shrinking is hemorrhoid. Are you getting me? Premature ejaculation, erectile dysfunction. When I say erectile dysfunction, you're not getting good erection. As a man, when you wake up, first thing to notice, to realize, is that the man jack up. Your man must erect. Do you get it? But if you don't get, or you don't experience this kind of, or this form of erection, if you don't experience this thing, you wake up, you don't know anything called erection. Sometimes, some of you, when you see a woman lying before you, a woman will lie down before you, that you feel within yourself that the thing is erected, like it's hard. But if you touch the thing, it's still soft. Sometimes you maneuver to penetrate. After a few minutes after penetration, the thing sleep already. The worst part is that you can put the joystick into the machine. You know what I'm talking about? Immediately after putting the thing into the machine, putting the joystick into the machine, you ejaculate. And when you ejaculate, that ends the game. This is as a result of hemorrhoid. So if you still have this hemorrhoid issue, you are buying, people cannot do or cannot meet their partner without taking dragons, without taking those kind of sprays, those tablets, capsules, in order to last long in bed. Those things you are taking, you are only forcing your kidney. You don't need those things. So long as it is a hemorrhoid that has been in your system and is causing that problem, we have to clear off the hemorrhoid from the system. Hemorrhoid can make you feel headache, severe headache. Hemorrhoid does that. Don't let anybody lie to you that hemorrhoid, the hospitals have solution for hemorrhoid. The only solution they have there at the hospital is surgery or operation. When you operate, the thing will still come back again. The fact that you operate or you've gone under surgery doesn't mean that you treated yourself. You didn't treat the thing. You needed a medication to be taken in to flush out the problem, the sickness. If I want to be telling you some of the signs and symptoms of hemorrhoid, it's a lot. Then the video will not finish today. So if you really wanted to join the testimony family, I have been sharing a lot of testimonies here with you. A lot of guys have been taking this thing with a lot of testimony. If you want to join them, get in touch with Richco Bitters and alongside the powder, the gin powder. You cannot take the Richco Bitters without the gin powder. You can't take the powder for hemorrhoid without a tonic. You need these two products. You need these two products. The Richco Bitters, you need it. But for a full treatment, one must not use not less than 6 bottles. You need at least 6 bottles of the tonic. And for the powder, if you want to get as many as you can, you can. But at least if you didn't buy anything, you should be able to use 6 bottles of the tonic. The name, you need these two products. The Richco Bitters, you need it. But for a full treatment, one must not use not less than 6 bottles. You need at least 6 bottles of the tonic. And for the powder, if you want to get as many as you can, you can. But at least if you didn't buy anything, you should be able to use 6 bottles of the tonic. The name remain always King Richie, your favorite doctor, from whichever